Welcome to Nobigdeal Academy 2026 Scholarship Training and Challenge. My name is Raheem, Nobigdeal Tech Manager. Today, I will be teaching you how I use ChatGPT and Google Labs for AI content creation. In this training, I will show you step-by-step are turned into scripts and how scripts are turned into real videos using AI tools. You will learn how to think like a prompt engineer and how to create content faster and smarter using technology. So stay focused, follow each step carefully, and practice along with me. First thing I do before I create any AI video is I choose a topic. This is the foundation of everything. Without a topic, I cannot start any content creation process. Now I'm going to show you how I do it in real life. I don't use anything complicated at this stage. I just think of simple ideas. I open my mind I don't overthink it or try to be perfect. For example, I can pick a topic like students struggling with bad Wi-Fi during online class. I choose this because it is simple, funny, and many people understand it. Good content starts from simple ideas. I always make sure the topic is relatable to students, workers, or social media users. That is what watch it. So in practical, step one is just this. I decide what my video will be about before I go to any tool. This is the starting point of everything. That is all for step one. Pick a clear and simple topic.